All right, here we go. Hey there, this is Matt with Kooler. I've got Tanner here helping me out. This is actually Tanner's last day with Kooler, which is pretty exciting. He's moving on to greater, better things. He's here helping us do some R&D. So this is one of the things that we do to test our adhesives, make sure that our custom overlay process is the industry's top standard, and we are now offering lifetime guarantees on this stuff. So what we have is 3 different adhesives. On the far end here, we have the Advantech, which is a spray foam kind of adhesive. This is our main go-to adhesive. Right in the middle, we've got a tight bond, all-weather subfloor adhesive. That's something that we've used in the past. It's common for a lot of folks to use that one. And then we've got a Loctite PL 3x3X. It's a black canned one. And we're testing this because we've got an overlay coming up that really wants no fasteners showing, and it's a metal overlay on top of a wood overlay. So a couple different pieces here. Tanner, real quick, which one do you think is going to hold up? Do you have any ideas?
I'd have to put my guess on either this Advantech or that PL3X over there.
Okay, Tanner's saying the Advantech or the PL3X. We're going to give it a try. What I'm going to ask Tanner to do is put some weight into the metal piece on top of the wood of each 3. Go for it. Oh. Advantech is out.
That one held.
Tight bond still holding.
That one held.
Loctite PL still holding. Okay, let's do that again, Tanner. So we saw the Advantech lose its metal really quickly. We'll get back to the woods here in a moment, but Advantech is out. Let's give him hell. Yes, it is. So now Tanner's cutting the metal. Let's move on to the next one. That's good. That's good. Okay, we got 2-way ties so far. Let's come back over here, Tanner. Just hit off the wood. See if we can get the wood off of that thing. The Advantech's holding the wood. That's good.
Yeah, it's holding pretty good.
Alright, so Advantech's holding on the wood. This is the one we use for our wood for this reason, but we're not going to use it for adhering metal on top of that wood for obvious reasons. Let's keep going, man. Let out some anger. So the tight bond all weather finally gave a piece of the wood away. Good, man. Let's move on to the next one. It's not budging at all.
It's holding pretty good.
All right, last one. This is what I want you to do, Tanner.
Yeah.
Grab the ply bar, come in here, see if we can get the metal off, and then get the wood off.
All right.
We'll do that to both of these remaining.
Holding on there pretty good.
All right, so 3X has wood fibers coming off with just that adhesive. Some adhesive has stayed on the wood. And with the tight bond all-weather subfloor, that's doing pretty good as well. We got a big chunk of wood off of it, some wood fibers in the adhesive. Sweet, go on to the next ones. Pull off these pieces. Nice, go on to the next one. Okay, kind of a summary. We've got the Advantech holding onto the wood really well onto the metal garage door. This was a door with very little prep. We do more prep when we actually install these. Wood grain fibers are still adhered to the door. Tight bond, big chunks came off, but again, it's still adhering some wood fibers there. The Loctite PL3X seems to be the one that is holding best. What would you say, Tanner?
Yeah, that's what it seems to be. All the wood's on there pretty well.
Right on. So we know the Advantech is not going to hold metal without an adhesive or a fastener, but the Loctite PL3X has some promise, as does the Tight Bond all-weather subfloor. So with that, we'll determine a little bit more details into our custom overlays, and I hope you enjoyed that. Good job, Tanner.
Thank you.